In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Bluetooth driver on Windows 10. Whether you're setting up a new device or troubleshooting connectivity issues, understanding how to manage Bluetooth drivers on your computer can be a real time saver. Alright, let's dive right into it and walk through these steps together. First off, you'll want to press the Windows key on your keyboard. This action pulls up the Start menu, where you can access various settings and tools. Once the menu pops up, start typing Device Manager. Windows is smart enough to begin a search right away as you type. Once you see Device Manager appear in the results, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now that you're in Device Manager, you'll be able to see a list of categories that represent different components and devices connected to your computer. Look for the section labeled Bluetooth and click to expand it. This will display all Bluetooth devices and adapters currently recognized by your system. Next, you'll need to identify your Bluetooth adapter. This might display as the manufacturer's name or simply as generic Bluetooth adapter. Once you spot it, right click on the adapter. You'll see a context menu appear, and from the options provided, you'll want to select Update Driver. This choice lets you update the software that allows your Bluetooth adapter to communicate with your computer system, ensuring optimal performance and compatibility. After selecting Update Driver, the next window will offer a couple of choices. Select Search automatically for drivers. By choosing this, you're instructing Windows to search your computer and the internet for any available updated driver software. Ideally, this automated search will find the right driver for you. However, if the automatic search doesn't yield results, it might be necessary to download the driver directly from the manufacturer's website. You would simply visit the manufacturer's support page, locate your device model, and download the appropriate driver from there. Following these steps ensures that your Bluetooth drivers are up to date, which is crucial for maintaining smooth and efficient connectivity with your Bluetooth devices. Keeping drivers updated can also resolve various connectivity problems, like issues with pairing or connecting to new devices. Remember, having an up-to-date system often prevents various technical glitches, making these steps a good practice whenever you're setting up new hardware or encountering connectivity issues. So, there you have it, folks. It's a straightforward process, but a very important one. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out other tutorials on our channel that explore more about optimizing and troubleshooting your Windows experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy computing.